Smart business decisions are fueled by experience, data, and intuition. But most organizations lack the access to their data to help drive those critical decision points. Info on Demand by Huzzard Technologies was designed to bridge the gap between experience and intuition with a suite of easy-to-use tools. Our app-based data collection and web-based reporting tools are easily integrated into your existing technology infrastructure. Data can be exported into multiple open standards for independent analysis. The three primary Info on Demand modules enable your team to easily integrate IoT into your workflow. Our manufacturing module allows you to track and report on assembly line efficiency, inventory control, and gap times. The asset tracking module enables real-time data and service histories on your critical physical investments. And Info on Demand's document management module gives users quick access to up-to-date documentation from any device, from safety data sheets to build instructions. Your data is an asset that is being undervalued. With Info on Demand from Huzzard Technologies, you can mine that raw data and refine it into the knowledge that is needed to drive your business forward. Contact us today for a free demo and learn how you can unleash the power of your data with Info on Demand.